Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Nvidia. The report was first published on our website Wednesday, August 3, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Nvidia? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 27, 2022, our system ranks the Nvidia stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 3.537. In this period the stock has had a gain of 6.2%. This is an average return of 1.03% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, Green Day on Wednesday for Nvidia stock after gaining 1.98%. The Nvidia stock price gained 1.98% on the last trading day, Wednesday, August 3, 2022, rising from $185.26 to $188.93. And has now gained 7 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.58% from a day low at $181.37 to a day high of $189.68. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.1% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -7 million shares and in total, 42 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.89 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $346.47, and the lowest price was $140.55. Right now the price is 45.47%, or $157.54, below 52-week high at $346.47, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend up. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $186.96, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $232.85 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -5.90% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -29.74% and -6.88%. The 12-month trend indicates a -21.45% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -42.42% and 17.1%. This equals a price between $108.78 and $221.24 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Nvidia stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Nvidia. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Nvidia stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $180.47 and $164.61. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, July 1, 2022, and so far it has risen 30.09%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 86 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 82 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $178.51 and $175.95. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $178.51. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.95 and $169.75. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $8.31 between high and low, or 4.58%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.23%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 49.68. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Next upcoming earnings report for Q2 2022 is expected to be released August 24, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $1.03. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Nvidia meets first resistance at $189.26. If you do not hold Nvidia shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Nvidia finds first level of support at $178.51, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 15, 2022, Showquist Deborah made an inside sell of 8,996 of common stock. On June 15, 2022, Puri Ajay K made an inside sell of 10,813 of common stock. On June 15, 2022, Robertson Donald F. Jr. made an inside sell of 2,608 of common stock. On June 15, 2022, Huang Zhen HSUN made an inside sell of 15,835 of common stock. On June 15, 2022, Cress Colette made an inside sell of 11,893 of common. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -17.813. In total, the insiders bought 4,115,167 and sold 5,900,224 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $181.83, minus 3.76%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 77 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 22 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive and the breakup from the falling trend indicates a possible shift for a trend. We believe that the prices around the breaking point will indicate particularly good levels, but we also believe that the current level will hold a possible good buy level for the short-term period. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 4th, we expect Nvidia to open down -$2.27 and start trading at $186.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.